David from Property Connect, the platform which connects property investors to property sourcers throughout the UK. In this video, I will demonstrate how you, as a sourcer, can use Property Connect to find motivated investors for your deals in seconds. For the purposes of this video, we've populated the system with fake data, so none of the names or details you see belong to real people. Let's get started. Step 1 is to log on to www.property-connect.co.uk using your email and password. When you log into Property Connect, you'll see your personalized dashboard. We'll talk more about that later. Step 2 is to search for investors and filter the results according to the criteria of your deal. In this example, we have a great rent-to-rent in Birmingham with an agreed price of £500 per month, but now we need to find an investor for this deal. To find an investor for your deal, click on Find Investors. You can see that we have 479 investors in the system, but how many of those are interested in properties in Birmingham? Let's search by location. We have 43 investors who are interested in property deals in Birmingham. Some of these will be interested in buy-to-let, HMO and flips, but the deal we have is rent-to-rent, so let's filter by strategy. There are 25 investors who want a rent-to-rent in Birmingham. Let's filter one more time, this time by budget. The agreed rental price with the landlord is £500 per calendar month. We have 7 investors that meet the criteria of our deal. That means that these 7 investors actually want a deal which matches the one that we have. Each of these cards gives you some important information about the investor. We have their name at the top, along with a summary of the feedback received about that investor. There is a short description of what the investor is interested in, which comes from their profile. And it also tells us at the bottom whether they're an investor, which is indicated with this I, or a sourcer, which is indicated with this S, or both. Step 3 is to make contact with an investor of your choice. Click on a card to be taken to the investor's profile. This is the investor profile. We can read more about the investor, what they want from a deal. We can read feedback which has been left about this investor by other users. We can examine more closely the criteria of the deals that they're interested in. This investor is interested only in Birmingham, within 25 miles, is only interested in rent-to-rent, and is happy to pay anything up to £800 per month. If I wish to contact this investor, I can do so by clicking on any of these icons. This investor has set up an email address, a phone number, a website, a Facebook account, a Twitter account, and a LinkedIn account. You can now save the search if you wish, which means it will be visible immediately in your dashboard as soon as you log in. This means you don't need to repeat the search. Click on Save the Search. Give the search a name. Don't forget to check Add to Dashboard. Now when you log in, you will find the results of this search in your dashboard. You can see the same 7 investors which meet the criteria of our deal are now visible in the dashboard, and you can access any one of these profiles directly from the dashboard. Or if you prefer the grid view, simply click on Saved Searches and select it from the list. And that's how you can use Property Connect to find motivated investors for your deals in seconds. If you like what you see, go to www.property-connect.co.uk and sign up. Or why not check out our next video, which demonstrates how, as a property investor, you can use Property Connect to make sure you never miss out on the perfect deal again. The link is in the comments.